Hey guys, welcome back to Shona Land. In this video, I'll be teaching you another common Shona phrase that you're gonna use when parting from your loved ones. Okay, so in this video, I'll be teaching you this phrase: see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. In Shona, it's tonana mangwana. Tonana mangwana. Tonana mangwana. See you, it's tonana. Tomorrow, it's mangwana. So, see you tomorrow, tonana mangwana. To respond to this, you say zvakanaka. Zvakanaka. So, if someone says tonana mangwana, you respond saying zvakanaka. Just as a recap, if someone says tonana mangwana, you respond saying zvakanaka. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like our videos. Thank you guys for watching. Ndatenda.